Assalamualaikum. My name is Ruhullah. I'm from grade 3. Today I'm making biscuit pudding. The ingredients are crackers, apple juice, blueberries, strawberry, and cream. First you put the crackers, dip it here both sides. Here, now you put one here. Like you have to dip the crackers in the juice both sides. Now put it again. And you have to dip the last one here. Now we're gonna add a layer of whipped cream. Put on the crackers here. Now you have to add another one here. Now that we have them there, we're going to put a second layer. I dip the cracker in the juice too. I'm going to do it on both sides. Now I put it here. Put it back here. Now I have to do this one last one. And now I have to add the cream. Add another layer of cream. And now I have to add the food. Here. After I bring the strawberries. My biscuit pudding is now ready. I hope you enjoy Ramadan Kareem. Thank you for watching.